Hi everyone, welcome to the demo for the BIT10 DEX. So we have made some updates in our app and now you can access the DEX. So you can click on the launch app and it will automatically redirect you to the DEX, which is the swap page. If you want to buy BIT10, you can click on buy BIT10. So here is how the DEX should work. So you can connect to Ethereum Sepolia and you can connect to your wallet. And remember to switch to Ethereum Sepolia to make any transaction and have some Sepolia ETH for testing the app. So you can connect your wallet. Here you can see we have two tokens on testnet, and here you can do the swap. You can select the tokens. You can update price of either of one. So let's say if you want to buy 1 ETH worth of USDC, you can do it like this. Or if you want to buy some amount of USDC, you can type that amount. So here's how it will work. Here is how we are taking the liquidity fees, the liquidity provider fees, and here's a small summary with slippage, with minimum receive, liquidity provider fees, what is the current exchange rate, the expected time, and expected output. So for the demo, let's make a small transaction. Yeah. So and you can also change your slippage. So for the demo, let's go with 3%. Here is the summary for the transaction. I can click on swap, and it will start the transaction. So it will ask me to confirm the transaction. So here you can see the transaction details. I can confirm it. And also we have shown the expected time. So it takes around hardly 2 to 3 minutes to complete the whole swap. So once the swap is done, let's see. After some time, we will receive the USDC for ETH. So till it's taking time to confirm and to do the swap, let's see how it works. So here's our canister for the DEX. So first we create a transaction where we provide different information like whether it is same chain or cross chain, if it is cross chain, what different chains are involved, what different tokens are involved, and which token amount is put in and what is the expected token out amount. And based on that, it will create a transaction. From our application, we will sign that transactions. Once that transaction has been signed, we will run this verify and swap, and then the canister Ethereum address or canister's chain address will send the token to the receiver. So let's go back and see. Okay, now our token swap was successful. You can go to your portfolio and you can see in your recent activity what has been changed. So here I can see I have swapped about 0.01 worth of ETH for 0.3654 USDC. You can also track the transaction on the Ethereum scan. So this is the transaction which we done from our account to the canister's Ethereum address, which is this one, where we have sent the Ethereum. And this is the outbound transaction where the canister's address has given us the swap token. So we swapped some amount of ETH for USDC. So here the canister has given us this amount of USDC. Now, in case if we go back and if we have a high slippage and the price is not matched to the slippage, the canister will automatically revert back the transaction. So if there is a huge difference or a huge spike in prices, the canister will automatically revert back the swap so that the user funds are safe. So here's a canister which is responsible for doing that. All the code related to the canister and how to run it locally will be provided in our GitHub. And this is a demo of how we have implemented DEX on ICP's ecosystem. Thank you.